Y'all, this is a small part of the grocery haul for the month of October. I lost some clips and I didn't mean to, but there's still a good amount of groceries. Groceries continue to go up in price. The cost continued to increase, and there is nobody that is going to change that. Once costs go up, they go up. I've lived for 53 years, almost now, and I know for a fact there is nobody that can change those costs of groceries. It is outrageous. It is very difficult to deal with. But y'all, I hope you enjoy these grocery hauls, the clips, and please comment. Tell me how you're doing in your area with grocery costs. All right, let's get into it. Welcome back to Misty's Pleasures of Life and good home cooking. All right.
Standing in your presence now, torn apart and broken down. Even still, we think we got it all figured out. Come and set
all right, y'all. This is moving forward with our grocery hauls that we do weekly that I normally combine into just one for the month. Sometimes I do a little bit differently, but this is just a small little thing. So we have 4 cans of the Blue Wilderness, and we have 6 containers of the Little Caesars dog food. We have a bottle of Caress bath soap, a bottle of saline solution, Milo's tea, broccoli florets. As always, I probably get two packs of chicken legs a week for my dogs. So we got those. We got the cube steak, the can of extra creamy Ready Whip, and the milk. And that was all I got, y'all. All right, y'all. This is a few more things in our grocery haul. I got this little pumpkin 3-stacker right here. That's white, and I thought it would be really cute to put right over here. And then I got the Better Homes and Gardens Farm Apple and Pumpkin. We needed some more extra creamy Ready Whip. I got some Simply Lemonade with blueberry, some Milo's tea, some more Goldfish cheddar crackers. I've already been eating some of these, y'all. I hadn't had them in so long. With some Cheetos Crunchy Party Size chips. Needed some grape jam. And so I get my French press. I got the French Vanilla Cafe. A tube of Jimmy Dean. So what we're having for dinner tonight is popcorn shrimp with big baked potatoes. 2 cans of dog food, and this is what my spaniel eats now. So 2 of those. And the big bag of jumbo russets. And the onions, y'all. Alright, y'all, let me tell you. I'm not trying to be part of the problem, but I'm not trying to be in a problem either. And yesterday, there was no toilet paper anywhere at Sam's Club. And I'm like, I am not. No, I am not. We are prepping, and we are going to make sure we have what we need in a crisis. So I got 9 mega rolls of Angel Soft along with what I already had. To be honest with you, it really wouldn't get us that far. So you really need at least, like, a size like this, you really need at least 3 on hand. If I'm going to be totally honest, that's what you really need. And then I got some mini marrow bones, because I'm going to see if my little dogs like these better than what I've been trying to give them as a treat. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the Little Caesar wet dog food for our little nibbliette. And then I just got 2 cans of the Blue Wilderness for the others. I finally found a loaf of bread, y'all. Walmart. Sam's Club didn't have any sandwich bread at all. And also found some eggs. And then these are our pork egg rolls to go with dinner tonight. Because I am doing a stir fry, Asian stir fry. And then we got the broccoli florets. I needed some more Myers Clean Day cleaning. I needed some foaming toilet bombs. Pure vanilla extract. Chopped walnuts. And I only got one box of these. I've been trying to decorate for fall. These are the globe string lights. Claim they only had one box. So. And the pack of chicken legs, like always. For who do you guess? That's it, y'all. All right, y'all. Groceries. I might have to pick up a few last things for the rest of the month, but this should be about it. The Vanilla Chex limited edition was on sale, if you want to call it a sale, for $3.46 a box, I believe is what it was. And that's your family size. And then I got a coupon of $1 for getting 2. And then we got the Land O'Lakes butter, a pack of 18 eggs. Wish I could get farm fresh. I really wish I could get farm fresh eggs. I need to Google that and see if there's an area here where I could get farm fresh eggs. And then we have a pack of bologna, box of spaghetti, the Bertolli spaghetti sauce for cheese blend, the family size of tomato soup, a bag of black seedless grapes. These are so good. 8 bananas. And oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so glad they had this again. Oh, best coffee ever. Nescafe Gold Intense Espresso. But as I've been saying, I'm going to be getting my new coffee machine here soon. We have 8 cans of Purina One, chicken and brown rice. And then we have some beef and brown rice. And then I needed some vanilla flavoring. We got some cold foam iced caramel macchiato. And then we always use the Cool Whip, extra creamy with that. And 7 packs of the Little Caesars. A bag of Meow Mix. I got 1 big pack of sliced apple and cinnamon wax melts, a bag of barbecue Lays, and a bag of regular Lays, and a loaf of French bread, the Organic Valley milk, and some buttermilk. And that is our 12-can Pepsi. I think I'm going to start getting our soda at Sam's Club because it's a lot cheaper. And then we have 2 1/4 pound of ground beef. And as always, these, I mean, we like chicken legs too, but these are for our dogs because it is cheaper to get the chicken legs versus a can of dog food. Because this is $5.84 versus 1 can of dog food is $3 and something. Like $3.86. Now that kind of dog food is $2.84 a can, which is still, this is cheaper. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great weekend.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in? All your hopes and efforts are all in vain.